Hey George, Ken Quare here. We have a 4-foot by 6-foot window opening, and what I need to know is what it will cost. We got a little cracking here along the edge and a little cracking along the bottom going across the bottom of the window. The top and the other side are okay. So I do want to show you this though. We want to feather it out a little bit. As you can see how far, let me get this further away. You can see the gap here. So we just need to feather it out maybe 12, 14 inches to kind of level the wall off when we're filling in this crack. And the bottom one is not so bad. Oops, oh, we're good. Yeah, the bottom one's not bad at all. It's just a matter of fixing the crack because there's really not much of a bevel there. So that, matching the texture, which is just an orange peel, a little bit of a knockdown. And at the same time, we had a leak that's been fixed. This is about 2 feet. Let me get out of the light. Just about 2 feet across and maybe 1.5 feet the other way. Just need to scrape a little bit of that off and then retexture it and touch it up. So let me know what you think and what your schedule's looking like so we can make arrangements to get this fixed. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.